I say busuafo na CCA na method Black Star wa appoint new coach our friend Carlos na man kasa mention that your football man kese but you see information am wo ha ne chede man is a World Cup is a wako 2002 them time na man se meribo wie JS so se me wie JS so 2010 okwai 2014 okwai 2018 okwai 2022 okwai na wabo matches in Kuku 16 out of 16 matches at wabo World Cup and I say we win 4 pay the years bebrebe wako World Cup you we win 4 pay and then draws are wabo 4 watch draws 4 and we lose on Kuku 8 World Cup awako goals are wa sheyina kaboma 19 goals na wa concede 19 goals inti damu fazi beji we are sure there Black Stars in this situation awumi was an World Cup yes as a papa bi bebe fia. You see, let's be honest with ourselves and tell people the truth that the problem with the Black Star, it is not a coaching problem. It is about the entire football federation and administration. Something is really not right in that GFA. Wo bibia hwe won to bibia nguna won hye bibia for Friday man taxpayers money na warko wa kese ni hwe. It would shock you there ye boko World Cup ya match kurumpo ye win na yaba enya there bia. I'm not being positive about Ghana but see from all things na zoro kodi World Cup in excursion bi na yeroko dem coach so awada abakanwi na minyim da Ghana fo coach yan wenyim pank obasaka nde ya wa employee ni onye adwuma bia because obviously Ghanaians will not like his tactics. Oya ne selection a Ghana for one trip man one pay Ghana obi a the selection the coach waka chano obo coach Ghana oyibe da Ghana obo coach na o dey temporarily deaf and dumb. Hey papa coach Carlos you credit obo coach no obi a coach obi a the selection you kwa GFA so wa bo selection wala edwuma na wa wo fi World Cup ba we yi wezi market anywhere kwesi hwe Ghana fu na be yibo na wa aje edwuma a o chero papa
the matter chop hot
asemne diloto hey
aye hey